Alright, welcome back. I think we're on part 3. Possibly I can run this video all the way to the Neil's Gap store without stopping it. Fingers crossed, applesauce. If you watched the other 2 videos, you have seen how heavy traffic is today. Yes, I am out on a 2000 Honda VFR800Fi. Audi and a Kia, a race Kia. I'll cut him some slack. It's his first car. You only have to buy a Kia once to know that maybe that's not the car to buy. Whee! Someday they'll fix that whoopie-doo. It won't be in my lifetime, but someday. they are supposed to be repaving Deals Gap this summer. So, can't wait to see that. Like I've said before, it'd be nice if some of that asphalt fell off onto this road. That won't happen. Tennessee will pave Deals Gap right to the border where it hits North Carolina, and that's as far as it'll be done. North Carolina's not going to spend money on paving a road. North Carolina's got to be the tar, snake, and chip seal capital of the world. Alright, here we come. We are at the world famous Deals Gap Motorcycle Resort. There it is, Deals Gap. Wow. Wow, Deals Gap. Wow.